vlogs. I hope you guys are good. So I'm going to literally, I posted a picture on Instagram yesterday in front of the CN Tower, and Sabiq Mali hit me up. He's a good friend. I actually made music with him before, but we never link up. So he happened to be in Toronto as well. So he's like, yo, pull up, let's make some music. And he also told me that he was shooting a music video and stuff. So I'm going to his place now. I'm still in the hotel, like I didn't take my share. We're spending one more night here and we're leaving tomorrow. So I'm gonna go check Sabiq, and yeah, we're gonna see how it goes.
It's genius vibes.
Yo, parking is crazy. So I'm not at Sabiq yet. I have an appointment here tomorrow. So I was trying to find like a spot I can park here. They're already taxing me, fam. So I'm trying to find a spot I can park here and try to see if I can actually manage to find where the appointment is, so that I can be ready before tomorrow. Shit, look at this place. Yeah, that freaking parking spot was so tight. And freaking motherfucker are charging like $4 for that. Hopefully, when I come back, my car is not scratched or stuff. So that building behind me was actually the building where I have the appointment for tomorrow. But since today is holiday, it's closed. I know that's the building, I'm just not sure what's the unit room and shit. That should be good. And now that I use this side, I think I can actually go back to my car quicker. So now I'm going to Sabiq. So it literally took me, I left home at 12. It's like 12:35 now. So it took me like, I left home at 12. So now it's 12:35. Like, so it took me like 35 minutes to find the spot, to park my car and to go. To leave the hotel, to park my car, and actually use the long way to go to the spot. I can actually use the back road here, which is way quicker. So tomorrow I'm just gonna use that back road straight up, and that should be Gucci. So now Sabiq here, I'm coming. 136. He's in downtown, so it shouldn't be long for me to get to his place. I'm a good driver, guys. I'm a good driver. There's nothing to be scared of. $3.25. I barely spent 5 minutes here. Take the money. I already paid. What the fuck are you giving me a receipt? Why the I don't need this, man. I just wanna go. Oh god. I don't know how people manage to live in Toronto. I ain't gonna lie, it's a nice place and shit, but bro, hectic. I can't even move. Yo, I'm gonna sleep in that traffic. No one is moving. So I made it to Sabiq. I'm waiting for him. I already called him. He's on his way. He says he's coming. Oh, I found him. That's him right there. Sabiq, how are you, my guy?
What you say?
I'm vlogging, pal.
I know.
Good.
Yeah, I saw you. I said, whoa, man.
Yeah, man.
You know,
I was
CN
like,
Towers, like, bro, that's literally
right next to you.
I
When
know
did you move here, though?
But I've been here since 2021. Do you have like
Yo, Sabiq put me on that freaking parking shit, guys. Like, I don't know shit. Like, you literally have to pay at the machine there, and you have to put it inside your car, not on that freaking when hold or whatever, because otherwise someone will steal your shit and put it as if they were the one who paid it, you know.
Exactly.
Toronto lifestyle, man. I'm from the village, I don't know shit. Sabiq Mali.
Si j'avais comment faire, j'aurais moins de problèmes dans ma tête, j'oublierais le mal.
Older producer guy.
Okay.
Classic, like bass guitar, DJ, you know, contemporary music, classical music. So he has those in depth. Like he played everything
live.
Like, yeah, every step.
That's sick.
That's one of those tracks you do for, you know, that legacy, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Many songs are just vibes or stuff. Many songs are, oh, I have a topic, but some songs that you collaborate with people and they get to bring out a certain side of you that you never just, you know, find. So, when you're ready. Yeah.
Director. Director, so what's the concept of your video?
So we already shot most of the performance scene. Oh, this shit going on video.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so we already shot like most of the performance scenes. So this one is just like, so I made the artwork. So that's the artwork for the track.
Okay.
So I want to like depict this idea of the artist painting the art.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sick.
So I painted the art, but we're just gonna make it look like we did it.
Yeah, he can do it. Yeah, he's asking. Just give him some spliff and he can paint the whole world, fam.
So, in between, I'll do some like doodles and shit. I'm just like,
yeah, the wind.
yeah. That's why I can't paint outside.
So literally, this video was already shot. So they're just doing some like B-roll scene kind of for the video, and the director was just explaining like the concept to the artist so that he can know what he wants from him. So yeah.
I'm gonna shoot in a park like this.
Yeah.
You see some street man who say, hey yo,
Yeah.
get some bucks before you shoot here.
Yeah. I know, bro.
Tax us before you even step on in.
Sick.
Yeah, it's just life.
Win. Oh, action. Got it. Show it. Got the actual artwork.
That sun. Jeez, look at that view.
Yeah, that's sick.
Do like yourself. Get some time back here, let it.
Get like one more way. You can just be touching these things that I've sketched.
Yeah.
So right there he was sketching the fake canvas to make it look like the artist was actually painting. But at the end he's gonna switch it with the real pen. So that's some video creative and director and magic trick stuff, you know.
That rolling. Rolling. Yep. Action.
If older people don't listen to younger people,
That always, I see it in my camera, like it's not easy to get out. Sir.
listen to younger people.
So I think they're pretty much done because they got all the scene in, and yeah, I like it.